Today, I would like to demonstrate KORD heavy 12.7mm machine gun. This machine gun is the heir of an NSV 12.7 machine gun of the Soviet Union. And though it is a machine gun and even heavy machine gun, it has been nicknamed a sniper weapon. The KORD machine gun is effective out to a distance of up to 2,000 meters and has the rate of fire of 650 to 750 rounds per minute. The KORD machine gun is void of all the disadvantages inherent to NSV 12.7. It has improved shooting parameters due to some design changes. This made it possible to minimize barrel resonance oscillation and increase fire density. The barrel life of the machine gun has been increased to 10,000 rounds. The KORD machine gun is belt-fed and uses 12.7mm cartridges. The cartridges can be with ordinary bullets, armor-piercing incendiary bullets, armor-piercing incendiary tracers, and incendiary rounds. The usual burst is 4 to 6 shots, and the used shell case is ejected forward. The revised breech-locking mechanism made it possible to lower the recoil energy of the machine gun, and that's why you can see a bipod-mounted version of the machine gun. The KORD heavy machine gun is the only sample that can be mounted on such a bipod, compared to its competitors. The KORD machine gun can be installed on different platforms, on boats, on different cars, armored vehicles, and others. The KORD machine gun is extremely powerful, very robust, and highly efficient weapon. To learn more about the KORD machine gun, please visit our official website. Just use the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, put a like, and leave a comment. Rosoboronexport is the only state-owned intermediary in export of military goods, products, and services.